Let us understand the step-by-step process of creating payment vouchers in Strategic ERP. In Payment Voucher, under Finance module, select the name of company and project name. Select the voucher date on which the payment is being made. Select Yes if you are making payments to multiple ledgers. Select No if the payment is made to a single ledger. Select the ledger name. The group name will auto-populate from the vendor master form. Select bank cash account from which the payment will be made. Details such as account number, bank cash company balance and bank cash project balance will auto-populate based on the selected account. These details will help you verify the remaining balance in the account and the payment amount being made. Check the Payment Against Bill checkbox if you are making a payment against a specific party's bill. You can view all the bill payments made to the selected ledger name or party under Payment Bill Entries tab. Select the Add checkbox for a specific service bill. The payable amount will automatically transfer to the Paid Amount field. You can enter relevant TDS details under the TDS Details tab if applicable. Set TDS deduction and show TDS details to Yes to display the details. Ledger account and group details will auto-populate based on your selection. You can view the tax category, TDS percentage and TDS amount if TDS payment has been deducted along with the payment voucher. Under Check Dispatch Details, enter the name of the person and their mobile number who has collected the check. Under Labor Payment Details tab, check labor wages and enter the petty cash voucher number against which the payment for labor is being made. Check multiple ledger payments if you wish to make payments to multiple ledgers. Click on the plus sign to add multiple ledgers and make multiple payments within the same voucher. Once the bill is approved, the system will automatically display the entry in the voucher. Click History to view the auto-entry of all bill payments made to the ledgers. The process of creating a payment voucher in Strategic ERP is now complete.